Hello students, good morning. This is your social study class now. Students, last day we have discussed on exercises that is given the back of the chapter kinds of soils. Today we are going to do question answers. Students, listen carefully and read with me. B. Write answers of the following questions. Question number 1. What is soil? How is it formed? Very important question. Answer. Soil is the thin layer of material covering the earth's surface. I am repeating. Soil is the thin layer of material covering the earth's surface. How is it formed? It is formed when many things interact, such as air, water, plant life, animal life, rocks, and chemicals. The formation of soil happens over a very long period of time. Okay, so the question is given in two parts. What is soil? How is it formed? So you will learn this answer. Number 2. Name the major types of soils in India. ICAR. I have written the abbreviation. Full form you can write. What is the full form? ICAR. Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Okay, instead of that I have written abbreviation of that. ICAR has divided Indian soils into 8 major types, which are 1. Alluvial soil, 2. Black soil, 3. Red soil, 4. Laterite soil, 5. Arid and desert soil, 6. Forest and mountainous soil, 7. Saline and alkaline soils, 8. peaty and marshy soil. So these are the 8 types of soil that is found in India. Question number C1. What is soil erosion? How is it caused? It is also given in 2 parts. Soil erosion is the displacement of the upper layer of soil. It is a form of soil degradation. Okay, this is the answer of what is soil erosion. Soil erosion is the displacement of the upper layer of soil. It is a form of soil degradation. Next, how is it caused? Soil erosion is caused by the dynamic activity of erosive agents. Erosive agent, that means those who help to degrade the soil, okay, or help to displace the soil, that is erosive agent. For example, erosive agent are, they are natural, like water, glacier, snow, wind, animals and humans. I am repeating. How is it caused? Soil erosion is caused by the dynamic activity of erosive agents. For example, water, glacier, snow, wind, animals and humans. Question number C2. Describe the different method of soil conservation. How to conserve soil, that you have to write. That is given in the book. Same thing I am giving here. Various measures should be taken to conserve soil. What is given in the book, same thing I have written. Okay. 1. We should control the felling of trees. Felling, what does this mean? Felling, the process of cutting down of trees. Felling means the process of cutting down of trees. So we should control the felling of trees. Number 2, we must plant trees, that is afforestation. We should encourage afforestation. Number 3, on hilly slope we can make terrace to stop the water run down. On hilly slope we can make terraces to stop the water run down. To stop the speed of the running water, what should we do? We should make terraces on the slope of the hills. Right? Number 4, we can control water flow by building dams and reservoirs. This is very clear. Number 5, stop the overgrazing of land by animals. Okay, stop the overgrazing of land. So there are 5 measures are given to control soil erosion, or the different methods of soil conservation. Now, a question that is given in HOT section, that is higher order thinking skills. HOTS, this is also an abbreviation. That is, the full form is higher order thinking skills. So only one question is given in this section, that is, why do earthworms come out of soil during the rains? Answer: when the soil is flooded, the air in it is displaced by water. The earthworms then cannot get enough oxygen, and so they come out to the surface to breathe. Again I am repeat. Question number that is not written, number is not written. This is a question from the HOT section. Why do earthworms come out of soil during the rains? Answer: when the soil is flooded, the air in it is displaced by water. The earthworm then cannot get enough oxygen, and so they come to the surface to breathe. Okay, so I have given answers of 5 questions. And now for homework I am giving you some questions. Listen students, you have to read the chapter carefully. Read the chapter sincerely. Go through the chapter properly. Okay? Why? Because from inside chapter I can ask you questions. More than 25 questions can be asked from the chapter. Each and every line is important of this chapter, so read properly that you can answer well. Homework is: what is the distribution of alluvial soil in India? Distribution means where it is found. Understand? 1. What is the distribution of alluvial soil in India? Number 2. Write the distribution of black and red soils in India. This is also same thing. You have to write where these soils are found. Okay? And number 3, question number 3, where are laterite soils found in India? Same types of question. Okay? That is, you have to write where laterite soil is found in India. That means you have to write down the places, or you have to write down the states, mention the states. So 3 questions I have given, and the answer is written in the purple box. From there you will write this answer. Already given. Answer is given in the purple box. From there you collect the answer. Okay? So students, write down in your classwork copy and then memorize this. Read, learn and memorize it. The class ends here. Goodbye.